Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Nissan Skyline 2000 GT-R Liberty Works livery, and I bought it for 179. So this casting feels a bit heavy, so let's unbox and see how this one actually looks and feels. So I really wanted to unbox this particular casting because of how heavy it feels in the hands. And I know people will go crazy over this Liberty Works livery. And recently, I think Mini GT did a really good job with this. So I really want to buy some more Mini GT maybe in the future. Mini GT and Pop Race. I did pre-order two Pop Race, which is a Lamborghini Countach and the Huracan STO with openable hood and engine covers. So I'm just waiting for that. Let's see when that gets delivered. Okay, so right out of the box, this casting looks really awesome. But as usual, I really hate to say this on every video, but you can see here there's a lot of paint job issues, the roof itself, and it has a lot of scratches here. Oh my god, that is really taking that feel out of this car. It has paint job for headlights, and it has some embossed details for the wires and everything. So the chassis is actually made of plastic. This is not metal. This is not metal, it is plastic. And they don't have any details on the tail lights. The rims are really small. I know this car is supposed to have this kind of rim, wheels. Okay, the hood detail looks really nice. Okay, let's do a road test real quick. Okay, it does roll really well, even with the smaller wheels. Okay, compared to Pontiac Aztek and a few more, this rolls really well. The little bit wheel wobble on both wheels. It is actually heavy casting. It may not look like it, but it is heavy casting. So I'm really not sure why people are going crazy over this Liberty Walk, castings and all. I do agree. Few castings looks really nice, but not every casting. Every design. Okay, maybe it's individual opinion, I guess. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.